Introducing HCL Domino Vault, the new low-code app building capabilities for IT teams and business users so that they can build applications to collect information, to track information, to automate processes, and to report and analyze on information. Creating apps is easy. You can start with a blank canvas by simply dragging items onto the page, editing their titles directly, adjusting the grid, adjusting items across columns. Everything is direct and simple. You can also start with a spreadsheet, like this course catalog spreadsheet. Simply point to the file, click through the options, and in a matter of seconds you've got a live working application. You can also start with a template. Point to the template file, open it up, and deploy it. You can edit it or you can use it as is. The apps you build can be responsive, so they work on any mobile device. A rules editor allows you to build dynamic behavior into your applications. You can integrate with any REST or web service, including SharePoint. Take, for instance, this SharePoint list. Let's grab a column from this SharePoint list and pre-populate a dropdown. Adding workflow to your application is easy. You simply go in and add workflow stages, specify workflow actions and the results of each action, and then optionally specify notifications and dynamic assignments. You can define role-based access for each workflow stage. You can easily extend and enhance your applications with common web development skills. In this example, we see Google Maps and geolocation being added to an application. But best of all, under the covers, Volt is creating real Domino applications, each with its own NSF, forms, and views. What this means is that you can open them in Designer to enhance these applications for non-Volt clients. And then you could use them in clients like Nomad. So in summary, you can build great-looking apps in minutes, which include powerful workflows. You can integrate them with SharePoint and other sources. You can extend them using common web development skills, and the apps that you create are real Domino apps. And best of all, it works on V10 and V11, and no additional hardware or software is required.